Yo, Tyrell. Fuck a photo. We're filming this shit, man.
No seatbelt. They just sitting there. Hey, what's up? Gosh, damn, what the fuck is going on, bro? You gonna do something big? Bullshit. Yeah, man. That's a truck. That's a Cadillac.
Yeah, I can tell you apart. Yeah. But you didn't come up in that era. Down south, we didn't get out like that. Where you from? Georgia.
Wee. Damn.
They said folk can't help who you love. Hope they ain't over here start, cause we both are getting sloppy, probably subconsciously.
Daddy, but why? Son, if you put your hand on that stove, you're gonna get burnt. I don't want to see your hand get burnt. I done got burnt before.
Real life?
Over a stove? Oh.
It's not just what you do for your heart, it's how you talk to it.
Hell no. Look at that. Look at this bullshit. You in that much of a fucking rush?
Think Verizon is expensive? Think again.
Why you go to
Anyone can bring
commercial
your AT&T or
doors,
T-Mobile bill
man?
to a Verizon
Hell
store, and we'll
no.
give you a better deal. So bring us your bill.
Freaking like
Down there, bro. I did,
that shit
man.
still
A lot of
there?
compromise
Fuck.
happened in the world. I think the war page
But that shit
15
still
line
there.
came just randomly. There was like this in-between space with the dialogue. And then,
God
you know, he was
dang.
walking.
Where you going, motherfucker? No, God damn. You might want. Ain't nobody damn you there, bitch. Oh, shouty. Let me get this tag. Oh, shouty. Oh, they got. That man was.
360. So they links our intention. See, that's what I don't believe.
Who else was coming vehicle? I saw them brush guard in the front. Fulton County. Fulton County, what you doing down here with that new vehicle? Fulton County down here? What the hell they doing? Look like they want to pad, but don't know what they want to do now. I hope they don't build that damn subway. I mean, Jacksonville like they built this motherfucker. I mean, you go straight in, the bathrooms in the back. We went from like a whole dining experience. See, they go to Fresh Guard right there.
Especially those outside the community so that they understand. I don't come
Hey,
from
that
a place
you, eh?
She been. That thing was good for
And then you gonna hit your brakes now. Nah, don't hit your brakes now, bitch. It ain't vacation. You look at you ain't going no fucking well. Dumbass. Oh shit. But you're not getting off. You just all you gonna do is put you right back in front of somebody. You're not getting off the exit. The exit is a half mile away. Like, you're not about to get off. You feel me? Unless you gonna ride this bitch. Now you're getting all the exits up here. See? Dumbass. Now look at you. Stuck. Told you not about to get off. This is the on ramp, dumbass. Damn. Such a motherfucking rush. Now look at it. You done fucked it up by trying to be smart. Now look at your ass stuck. Now this is the on ramp to get on the highway, not to get off the bitch. Damn, you done fucked the fucking flow of traffic up. You wanna be the smart one. Now you gotta wait for folks to let your ass up. Look at this motherfucker. Handicap.
Eulenspiegel is a kind of foil.
That's who's supposed to be.
It was the Cleveland Orchestra conducted by George Sell, the trombone, to Eulenspiegel's Merry Pranks.
Better not kick up no.
Use the right lane to take exit 43 onto US to 78 and Covington Highway.
Yeah, I got out of the way then, didn't you? That's who the damn lane is for. No other traffic issues. Damn, they already wrote on that bit, UTL. Y'all playing with fire. What the hell, we goddamn going 90. Fucking 65. Oh, she government. That why. She. Shit. I like that, bitch. Woo-wee, we riding. What's going on right here? What the hell done happened here? That ain't normal. That ain't normal. Oh, that's a parking spot? Man, I thought them folks had wrecked. God damn. Hey, who? He said, thanks what? Oh boy. Look at you. Trying to. Smoking, ain't it?